guys, today we are going to make Mercury. First, Toyota Supra. Second, GTR. Third, Lamborghini Aventador. Fourth, Bullet. Thank you.